Hey guys, so this is the last video for the Sugar Shack for the season, I guess. What I've done is I've gone out to the sugar bush and I've collected a bunch of sap in my tote here. It's a beautiful blue day. It's been raining for like a week straight, so I'm working on getting my taps pulled out today. Brought back a bunch of sap, and so what I do at the end of the season is I fill my pans with sap. If you want an easy way to clean your pans, you fill your pans with sap. Let it sit for 2-3 months till the summertime. What's going to happen is it's going to turn into vinegar, and the acid's going to eat all the stuff that's been caked on during your boiling season. And then when that time comes to clean it, you just take your power wash and you just give it a quick hit with the power washer. I've got a video on it about a year or two ago. You can check that out, but I'll just show you in here what I've done. So here are the pans. I filled them as full as I can with sap so that I can get all the stuff that's boiled up and over, all the caked on stuff. And it's right up to the top of the float box as well. I've shut the float box off so it doesn't back feed into my drain pipe, because I'm going to be taking this off so I can give it a good wash out. And that one's there. And this pan, I didn't use this pan as much as I was hoping this year. I didn't have as much sap, but I've got this pan filled right to the very top, well, almost to the top, because the top's pretty clean. It's just the bottom part that was dirty. So that's good there. We went through all that wood this year, and our total this year was 175 liters, so 3 liters short of last year, which was 178. So not too bad, pretty happy with that. But yeah, here you go. This is how you clean your pans. Let them sit, turn the sap into vinegar, and then halfway through the summer, you give it a good old power wash out, and she's nice, shiny, brand new. Looks like you've never used your pans. So there we go. That is the way we do it. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm gonna have to go out after I get the pump cleaned up, hose cleaned up, around to the sugar bush, and pull the line. So what I need to do too, I have to go to the feed store quickly. I need to go buy some more isopropyl so that I can feed the lines. But anyways, that's how we do. So we'll see you later. Have a good day.